Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. So if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel, because if you subscribe my channel you will get daily notification of jobs. So let's start this video. So today's notification has come from IBPS, and you have know that they have already published the notification before this year in the March 2020. Due to COVID situation, the exam has not been occurred. So you can see IBPS CRP RRB application is again opening. It is a reopening case. So they have given their chance to apply online again for those posts, and the last date for that particular exam application, you can see the last date is 9th November, and all total post is 9,638 posts. So the exam has not been conducted before, so that's why they have published their notification. They are reopening their application link. So I think you have knowledge that what will be the post, like this is the recruitment for Group A officer scale 1, 2, 3, and Group B officer like office assistant multipurpose will be conducted by this IBPS, and this was previously scheduled in September, but now they are thinking that that will be rearranged on end of November or starting of December. Okay, so I will discuss again all those procedures, how to apply for that job, and what will be the last date, how to give that payment, all those things. So don't skip this video. Let's watch this video till end. So you can see starting date was previously 1st July, and on 26th of October it has reopened, and last date was previously 21st of July. So now you can see 9th of November is the latest date of closing this application. So it is mentioned here that preliminary exam will be occurred in September, October, but due to this COVID situation they have not taken their examination. So it will be rescheduled in November end or at the month of December. So they will be discussing or declare the new date of examination in this October, and you will be able to download the call letter also in the month of November, and the exam will occur at the end of November or mid of November. Okay, so yeah, you can see that for officer level scale 1, 2 and 3 and office assistant, they are telling that another examination date will be declared in January 2021. So within November or December you will be getting those admit cards. Okay, so the application for general is still fixed 850, and for SC/ST it is 175, and age limit is given that minimum age limit for officer scale will be 18 years and minimum age for officer scale 3 and 2 will be 21 years. Okay, so for the officer scale 1 minimum age is 30 years, and for the scale 2 32 years is needed, and also for the scale 3 the maximum age limit is 40 years. Okay, so multipurpose assistant post number is 4624. So if you have any bachelor degree in any recognized university, you have proficiency in local language, and if you have knowledge of computer you can go for it, and those who are having some bachelor degree in preferred degree like agriculture, horticulture, forestry and animal husbandry, veterinary, in those fields, technology management, in those fields, those can apply for the office scale 1 assistant manager. There nearly 3,800 posts are given, and you have to have knowledge of computer. So you can go through this all notification once again, because it was previously also published. So I will share this notification link with you. So if you want to apply, then I will give the application link to you. You can see it is their official website. You need to just click on the new registration again, and from there you will be able to register, and using that registration number, you need to give your registration number here and the password and the security code. Then you need to log in as a registered candidate. Then you need to fill up your details. So if you want to go through that how to apply that link, so you can have a look in this particular Word document. I will give that document link to you so that it is easier for you to understand. So this is the small update from Job Updates by Verma channel. So if you have any doubt, please comment your doubt in this comment box. Thank you. We will meet in next video. Goodbye. Take care, guys.